today number lenge sangmala ta taringa meson de dia meson de gi jumjin di khari na na ani nga zo ta thalo khongsa cho khonglo gupju la phebe ani ki mo de ani meson la ni celebration nangore ani honde la nga zo kolegal mimang ta na shi hunsu mimang ta na shi belo go mimang ani sangma ta tari de la zomzom che exhibition jo chi mo bo yesare ta ni how much ra 아니 가리는 남는 게 소리야 되게 되게 치고 방아탄데 내 사이 네 다들 아주도 엔드시 자 이제 게트시 이동라 kinda hoştuda 이제 게트시 네, 진짜라. 야, 땡땡이 주고 넘버 내겠어라. 여기 소소라 토송, 소소숑라 토스. 소소라 좀 게네. 페쇼스스. 브레이크파스트 당게 쇼자도 상마데. 아미 브로네 진데시다. breakfast lunch something breakfast creamy de ani te wala shui tawaye kitchen 맞아 발레스 대시야 형이 되네 되게 좋아 원래 가게 되면서 되네 breakfast creamy 거를 Adexia purice. Purice.
La. Ama dil dizan dedi.
Puricero. 어디 얘들아. 디 텐도르시 디 알루담 터체나 알루담 디디시 아니 뭐지 시비 뭐 아니 시비 뭐 하자 디 배자 총아디 배잘랐어 띵아 뭐 야, 나댕이 breakfast. 내가 가서 breakfast share 다 상마. 이게 직접 오라. 난 제마 버려대. 다시 달라이 다시 되네스. 이게 때 오는 거는 상마 breakfast share 되지. 야, 되게 쉬고 이제 가서 쫓으라. 저기 여기 근데 공부 시간도 시간이 차 레인지 보시고. 아니, 별로 비 게임시다. da xixim para chá. Fish. Number है ना दे तब खंडे में बची है अदलो सजाया क्या ना नहीं तो बंदा करेंगे Lamas sejata. Jangan lama nanti lama. Kalau dicek lama.
Thank you. We also have with us the guest of honor, Geshe Dalai, and it is my honor to introduce Geshe Dalai to all of you. He is the director of the Library of Tibetan Works and Archives. He serves as the official translator to His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama for 16 years. Geshe-la holds a master's degree in English from Punjab University and Master of Philosophy from Delhi University. In 1995, he received his Geshe degree, which is equivalent to a PhD in Tibetan Buddhist Studies from Debu Loseling Monastic University, Karnataka. He has co-translated several renowned books by His Holiness, including The Way to Freedom, The Joy. To continue this auspicious morning, I now invite Mr. Nuput Sring, a member of the organizing committee, to deliver the welcome address.
Esteemed dignitaries, respected elders and ladies and gentlemen. It is with immense joy and deep respect that I welcome each one of you to this meaningful gathering, an event enriched by the presence of our distinguished guests and the heartfelt participation of the esteemed academic institutions and both the Indian and Tibetan communities in and around the Mysore. Your gracious presence elevates the significance of this occasion, and we are truly honored to have you with us today. To provide a brief context, the Central Tibetan Administration has officially declared the period from 6th July 2025 to 6th July 2026 as the Year of Compassion, commemorating the 90th birth anniversary of His Holiness, the Great 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet. The celebration is especially meaningful to Tibetans as the 80th and 90th birthdays holds great spiritual and cultural importance, referred in Tibetan as Kaden and Goden respectively. This year marks the Goden of His Holiness, a momentous milestone that not only celebrates his life, but honors his extraordinary legacy of promoting universal values such as peace, harmony, and compassion. This global initiative is a tribute to his life.
to kindly launch the book Wise for the Wiseless, which is authored by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Now, I would like to request our guest of honor, Geshe Haudula, to present an introduction to the 4 principal commitments of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, along with a brief overview of His Holiness's life and legacy.
Madhudele, Shubhbhargadam. My pranam and greeting to Swamiji and to all the abbots from different monasteries and the dignitaries on the stage. Because of the nature of this gathering, I'll speak first in English, which is my primary talk, and then maybe few minutes in Tibetan also on the 4 commitments. First of all, I would like to express my deep appreciation for the 4 settlements of Belguvi for so wonderfully organizing this celebration of Tibetan culture, which is really commemorating His Holiness's 90th birth anniversary. This is an occasion to really celebrate, because it's very fortunate and lucky for all of us to have His Holiness amidst us, even at this very ripe age. Not only that, he promises that he will live another 30-40 years. And he also very recently announced that his reincarnation will continue to come. So this is great news, good fortune to all of us. Now let me say a few points on the 4 commitments of His Holiness Dalai Lama. Not only we should listen to his 4 commitments, but we should also in our personal life try to live and practice the 4 commitments. And His Holiness's 4 principal commitments are very logical, because he says humanity. So there His Holiness' focus is how to improve human values with the understanding that we all want happiness, do not want suffering. But the suffering comes unwillingly from negative emotions, destructive emotions within us. Anger, jealousy, hatred, narrow-mindedness, competition. These negative emotions that is within us is the sole contributor towards having no problem and in fact having so much conflict in today's world. Therefore, His Holiness urges all of us human beings to improve the human values, to pay more attention to the human values, to think more about the sameness and not about the differences.
The Keynote address.
ಓಂ ಸಹನಾಮವತು ಸಹನೋ ಭುನಕ್ತು ಸಹ ವೀರ್ಯಂಕರವಾವಹೈ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಾವಧೀತಮಸ್ತು ಮಾ ವಿದ್ವಿಷಾವಹೈ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ಸನಕ ಸನಂದ ಋಷಿ ಪರಂಪರೆಗೆ ನಮಿಸಿ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆಗೆ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತ ಇಂದು 14ನೇ ದಲೈ ಲಾಮಾ ಅವರ 90 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಈ ಪವಿತ್ರ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ 90 ವರ್ಷಗಳು ಸಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅವರ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ದೇಶದ ಮೂಲೆ ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚರಿಸುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ನಾವು ಹುಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಯುಗ ಯುಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬ ಪವಿತ್ರಾತ್ಮರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧರ್ಮ ಇರ್ತದೋ ಅದನ್ನು ದೂರ ಮಾಡಿ ಸದ್ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಪವಿತ್ರಾತ್ಮಗಳು ಪ್ರತಿ ಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧದೇವ ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯನ್ನ, ಮಾನವೀಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ, ಸಹಬಾಳ್ವೆಯನ್ನ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನ ಈ ನಾಡಿಗೆ, ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋದಂತ
Ladies and gentlemen,
Pecetleri simkiyanın gittiğindeki zeytinliği, Osaka'daki yanındaki simki kotirası simkiye vazamayı bacını, simkiyaçın bu kakiye vazı, diko dönüyor var. Zeytinliğinde Türkiye tamcakide bunu taharan eder, bunu peycaçın bu hiyeni, en tamca naşa, çetanda sancu simbe tamcağında hiye kortuye var, tamam da yonda hapı değeri insala başı var. Çetanda jiv tambe Türkiye tamca verdi, kevani kevapı şey var, madde hiye tuye para yonda var. Kada kapsova tuji tamja hide kayolayo gomin kenji. Tadi pede kundugi de kanamdan da pede racha ko ningje wo shiyo kare sana tambode susu mirewa sungorda. Tamatu kundu mi wana ji mata mirewa. Mi de migi ro migi duhi dikene mi samal.
Ani tadindegi 아니 기상 딩기라야 페베기 너저체 윤중의 저거도 페사 송송의 지체 다른 신 다른 사람이 마 변조간 페베기 말아서 개방 계실 학도라 다른 시 말아서 너저 시작 다 시기 아니 공연한 것도 페베기 들려야 페베기 말아서 세자 미망 나바디게 다른 시 all the members of IDFC members from Mysore district and all the press who come to here on today's events. 아니 따딜이야 예 따지워시오래 레부시오래 되는지 시외지도 예실라 유체 따딜이야 말아서 상미 회사들 야가 슝디 말아서 아니 전조 패밀리야 항상 야기 같은 친구들의 이나양 진호 봉사 장교 친구초 야가스텔의 휴제 공기 제바 아니 참명제 리기 투지가 직맥이 또 룸바직 지구 어느 정리 경에 땅 얘기 지와 쇼래 리고 쇼에디 야가 쇼래 다리게 감속에 만치 디규체 야가 쇼래 야 쇼래야 야버르미체 공탕 공급 로투투라다 지가나 전조 자상대의 휴제 딱한다 여러분께 두지가 된 공도 쉬어 시송이 야가기디 딱게다도 정말 강라 이것이 친구지 차례 손자 야가 슝게 뭐네 다 뒤세디 가리가는 내셨으나 여러분께야 최대의 신다 바랏 란다 랑디 피에게 뒤세지 내셔스 안 디리지 야가 슝게 요구 유연하면 아스제 예 지거신한다 그리고 신한데지 두체나시에
Forum camp Keynote nere Dene gama baju bel kupila khare gule thalala CST gule thalala ani madam Thalam Doma Changra niagaji principal re ani the young khare gela Teshi gela na thai de du nge ga gela de du gela khare hawado gela teshile pege mi pe yagbore tanda na lo sumjo khare lo chusas ishu ga ji khushene na tanda Mysore diocese la lega chigiyo na khawa Dona pege mi badi kecha yung na lagiyo pege mi na pe yagbore pege mi na gabu chigiyo tada nge kare pege kecha chega mi mindo kare pege sangma je dogido lo sumju sas pege kecha chene lo sumju sas pura jedugido. During the ceremony, pe budu. Lo sumdu zela na kare pege me they really happy, overwhelmed to be with my Tibetan friends. This kare pege la dinde kecha chene kare kecha pege la mangu chena kare mistake yongere Peace. And my dear loving Tibetan friends, really I love you. I am a Catholic priest today. It is because of Tibetan school, Central School for Tibetans, Balakupi. I was not given admission in Christian school, and that time Tibetan school gave admission for my studies. Very proudly, wherever I go, I speak. They have not given Bharat Mata CMI school in Kopa, they have not given admission. And in the meantime, Madam Bayana was headmistress in Guletala, CST Guletala. She gave me admission in Guletala, and then from there I completed my studies in Guletala as well as Central School for Tibetans in Balkupi. In 1998, I finished my SSLC 10th class in Central School for Tibetans. Really, I love Tibetans from my very grassroots. I was seeing the Tibetan monks and the Tibetan people with what is that, rosary. We call it in Christian rosary. O mani pemeo, O mani pemeo, O mani pemeo. That really a meaningful. And then when I was very small, I used to go to the monasteries, and then I used to see the monks praying there, especially all the time sitting and praying. And that inspired me to become a Christian priest. And today I am a priest for the Diocese of Mysore. I am working in so many areas. I was longing to address the Christians. Today is the opportunity to speak to all of you, because Tibetan teachers and then Tibetan culture formed me to become someone. I was a principal in 2 degree colleges, and I was a lecturer in St. Philomena's College. All these things, my degrees, I am a principal, and then now I am placed as a director of ODP, the Organization for the Development of People, where all the people, poor and needy people, I should take care in 4 districts of Mysore, Coorg and Mandya and Chamarajanagar. So I am privileged to work. It is because of my training in Tibetan school. So I am really grateful to all the Tibetan school, those teachers, and then especially all my Tibetan friends. I don't know whether my classmates are sitting here, because those days no WhatsApp, no phone calls, no connection, no email, Gmail and things like that, no connection. I had a friend in Guletala, his name was Kunchok Norbu, is no more. I am very sad to say. Kunchok Norbu from Guletala Camp 6. So he is no more. I am very sad. He was my very good friend, and then many other friends I was, but I am not in contact. If my classmates are there, familiar people are there. My name is Chenny Kurian, and then they used to call me 10 Tennis in Laptalanga Ngeming. 10 Tennis they used to call. So I am really proud. Being celebration of the birthday of His Holiness Dalai Lama, 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet, I am a lover of His Holiness 14th Dalai Lama, because he is a peace lover. Those who are peace lover, they are children of God. Children of God, peace lovers. His Holiness Dalai Lama of Tibet, 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet, is not known only for Tibetan, he is world famous. The entire world knows him because of his peace-loving character. And then that is a very inspiration for me also. I saw there Pope, he was meeting our Pope Pius VI and Pope Francis, and then he was with Mother Teresa. I know all the Tibetans love Mother Teresa, because Dalai Lama and as well as His Holiness Dalai Lama and Mother Teresa, they were similar kind of people. They want non-violence, not fighting, loving people. We are really celebrating his 90th day of birthday. It is really meaningful. We all should become like him. We all should become like him, peace lover and peacemaker. Wherever we are, our place should be a loving place, as His Holiness Dalai Lama was inspiration for peace and then inspiration to India. He taught many things, non-violence, taught many things. And then as Rinpoche was speaking, he said, His Holiness was telling that Indian culture, I am an Indian. His Holiness was speaking, I am Indian because I eat, I born, I this culture, everything, chapati, rice I eat and then I am Indian. So that culture we should adopt, he was telling. Really, we have to learn so many things from His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, 14th Dalai Lama. I pray that the Christian community of Mysore, my wishes to His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, and then my sincere thanks to the Tibetan community for this great opportunity. I am not supposed to come, somebody else supposed to come, but somewhere I got the invitation. When I saw the invitation, I said, Tibetan program, I must go. I made it, though I had many programs, I made it, I should go. After 30 years, I am meeting my people. My people, I should go, I made it, and then really I am happy, and I take this opportunity in a grateful way for giving this opportunity for me to be part of this celebration. I am really happy. My sincere thank you to all of you. Sangmala Toche Tishdele.
Thank you for attending the event, for gracing the event with your presence.
Contributes to the lead sources of success of today's program. First and foremost, I would like to express our deep appreciation to our esteemed chief guests for graciously inaugurating the Tibet Fest 2025. Your Holiness, your presence and blessings have profoundly enriched this event, and we are deeply honored by your support. We also extend our heartfelt thanks to the distinguished guests, dignitaries, and members of the community who have joined us today. Your presence has added great meaning and significance to this special celebration. Our sincere thanks, gratitude goes to Home Department, the government of Karnataka, generous support and for providing this excellent venue. Your cooperations and encouragements have been instrumental in the smooth organizations and successful executions of this event. A special vote of thanks to Venerable Geshe Abdullah for his inspiring and insightful talk on the Four Noble Commitments and for so sharing the life and
남게 아스키 탕고 남게 아스키에서 나 창고 제대도 저저도 빼없지 뭐야 맨지강 다리 맨지강 때문에 정말 필요해 소스 보조이라 벨로고빈지 디 건좀 핸디크래프트야 다들 잘라내 가서 뭐 상마도다 그리고 올라나도 스타 다 잡아서 시고 나도다 시겔데 제가 하게리 암제데도 빈도 슈퍼드라 멘슈도 디 Sunday arts resha 뭐야? Sunday arts. 네. Sunday arts resha. 디 벨로 윙냠데 송아 있었다. 라 벨로 윙냠데 송아라. 다시 데레 상마라. Tadi ngazo kolega giri. Recha. Ate shingsor işte. Oh. किधर से आप? नेपाल से? ओके. Also नेपाल निरेशा. 다들 코코넛 놈 오르가닉 호르데스 다디 땡아 오르가닉 게 피치탄 거우야 아 진짜 벨로고 미디 냠디 오르가닉 언니 호르 땡고라 도왔다 여러 가고 거다 상마 고시 쳤대셔